Hey buddy, Sam back once again, and we're looking at this bad boy today, the Impact Protection Screen Protector from those people over at Rhino Shield. Now I have a couple of Rhino Shield products to show you, which I'm going to be doing in separate videos, but today I want to have a look at their actual screen protector. Now currently, I've just kind of been using a glass screen protector on there, so I'm actually going to be taking my glass one off and giving this one a go. Now it's been a while since I've actually used, I don't want to say plastic, but let's just say it's kind of like a plastic kind of material. The reason for that is because I always like the kind of feel of the glass ones. So I'm going to stick this on and see what it actually feels. So should we do this? Actually, I've already opened the pack, as you can probably see here. So when you do open it, tell you what, let's have a look on the back of it first of all. Let's just go through the 6 layers of protection. So as you can see there, it's got the fingerprint resistance, easy to clean. We've got scratch resistant, impact dispersion, impact dampening or damping, high strength, don't know what that means, and zero residue adhesive. So what that should hopefully mean is when you do take it off, it's not going to leave your phone full of sticky fingers. So it should be able to absorb 5 times more than the normal screen protector, and it's as thin as 3 sheets of printer paper. You see that there. If you want to see a video demo of them actually trying to destroy a phone, then you can put your phone up to that one there right about now and it will do it for you. This is what I thought was really awesome. Developed in Cambridge, UK. Up the UK. And then obviously made in Taiwan. And you can have a look at them at rhinoshield.io. So a bit more information about it there. Warranty information, etc. But anyway, I thought it was actually a really cool kind of unboxing, if it's a box, little kind of experience. So you pop it open and then you see there, you pull it out. So pull it down there. So we'll stick that off to the side because we're not going to need that. What do we get? I think that's probably about it. Oh no, we got like that little card. So this tells you how to actually do it. And again, they've got some tutorial videos on their actual website. So again, if you want to check those out, you can do in English and probably Taiwanese. How to apply it. So the front and the back. So A is for the back, B is for the front. You peel it off, blah, blah, blah. And you want to contact them, all that kind of good stuff. But again, there we go. So here are some more of the features. So you've got a bit more information in regards to that there for you now. So you probably see that there. Cool. And here it is. So I'll be honest with you, when I first got it, I was like, not sure. Again, I've never been a fan of plastic screen protectors. But again, I am going to give it a shot. I'm going to give it a fair crack at the whip and see how well it can do. So you also get like this little plastic squeegee with their logo on there. So I'm going to guess if you get any kind of air bubbles, we're going to be able to get those bad boys out. And then you also get this little kit as well. So I think, I can't remember, it's got some little sticky pads as well as a little cleaning cloth. And again, little attention to detail and stuff like that. You know, it just kind of feels nice. It kind of all matches. Would have been cool to have the logo on there, but it just feels really, really nice. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, this is the dust removal sticker. So how to use: peel away the dust removal sticker, blah, blah, blah. Hold the sticker from the front ear and remove the dustolent. Cool. Should we see what it's all about? Let's have a quick look at that one again. Yeah, screw that. Let's have a quick look. Right, so again, I have currently got a glass screen protector. Don't know if you can kind of see that, so he wants to focus. Got like a little glass screen protector that's on there. So I'm actually going to take that off for the purpose of this video. So there we go. I am committing to the Rhino Shield. So again, that was not a bad one, but as you can see, it's got quite a lot of dust in there. Anyway, let's chuck that off to the side. We do not care about that one anymore. So you can see there, hopefully I'm going to be able to get all this kind of dust and all this kind of crap off my screen. So I'm going to speed this up. I'm just going to give it a quick clean and we'll try and install it. Be right back. Right then, so I'm hoping I've got most of the kind of dust off there. Quite a lot of dust around the sides. Didn't really realise that from the previous glass screen protector. That was rather annoying. But yeah, I think I've got a majority of the dust off that I'm going to be able to get off that I can see. Just little bits, you see, every time you bloody move the phone, another bit kind of pops up there, doesn't it? But now I'm going to try and use it as like this now. So what they do tell you to actually do is actually unlock the phone. So let's just get into the phone. And they ask you to do this. So then what you can actually do, let me just zoom in a little bit. So then what you can do, you can actually see the cutouts. So I'm actually just going to go to a white screen on here. So there we go. Dun dun dun. It's going to ask me to subscribe to Apple Music. No, go away. And here is actual screen protector as well. So again, we've got A and B on the actual screen protector. So what we do first of all is, as we know here, this is the adhesive side. Yeah, actually get it to focus. So what we're going to do is actually take this one off, hoping that we don't get no bloody dust all over it. Just slowly comes off there. And then what you want to do is apply it to your phone. So, wish me luck on this one. Again, never been a massive fan of the plastic style screen protectors because I never really got them on properly. Let's have a look. See if I pin that down there. Is that about right? That seem about right to you guys and gals? Let's have a quick look. Yeah, I think that's about right. I think I might have done it a little bit. You know what? I'm happy with that. Just seem. What do you reckon? Would you take that off and do it again? Yeah, I'm gonna have to take it off and do it again. So 2 seconds. Again, I'm gonna keep this rolling because I'm just gonna show you how easy it is, or not easy. We'll see. To actually take off the screen protector and then reapply it, because they do say that it doesn't leave any kind of adhesive. And fair play, it doesn't look like it's left anything there. And again, you're probably going to find this a little bit easier. I'm actually quite away behind the camera right now. So normally, I wouldn't be in this kind of, again, this kind of situation when I'm doing this. So let me see if I can get it on this time. So let's see. Did we get it on the edges this time properly? You know what? I'm going to accept that one. Do you reckon? Yeah, I'm going to go with that one. So what I'm going to do now is actually get out the air bubbles. I've got a few little air bubbles in there. So does it say to actually do the air bubbles first? Let's have a look. Peel off this layer. Yeah, push out the bubbles first. So just going to push out the bubbles. So again, I won't make you watch me do this part. I'll speed this part up for you. Right, so I am back. And I've probably gotten about as best as I'm gonna. There are some slight little, I don't know if you can kind of see them. Now, they don't look like air bubbles, so I don't exactly know what they are. It might actually come off when I take off this top kind of protection sheet here. So what we're going to do now is take off the layer B, and we're hoping it's going to look a little nice. So, as you can probably see, there's a little air bubble just about there, and there's one just about there. So let me feel what it actually feels like. Not sure, people. Not sure. So I'm going to give it a quick wipe down. I'm going to use it for a little bit, and I will come back. I will tell you in this video whether I recommend this or not. So sorry for the long video, but again, I want to kind of show you the true installation. So I'm not just going to be doing stupid edits, etc. I want to show you exactly how it is. So yeah. Well, I'm going to edit this part, obviously, because, yeah. Shut up, Tom. I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. So I've been playing with it, trying to get some of the air bubbles out. Just trying to lift it up a little bit, you know, trying to use the sticky pad. And I've got majority of the bubbles out. The only slight problem is where I've lifted it, it seems to have just got all gunked up. Now, I've not got very kind of brittly fingers. I don't, like, flake a lot. But for this screen protector seemed to have loves taking... Get it to show you. Focus, you see in that little corner there? Nothing I could do about that one at all. And even worse is actually the top one here. You see that there? Now I obviously kind of touched it a little bit. I tried to get rid of it, but unfortunately it won't go. It is like an air pocket that just will not budge at all. But the good thing is I got rid of everything else. In terms of the way it feels, I was actually very surprised. Again, I'm not really a massive fan of quote-unquote like plastic screen protectors. This feels like glass. I'm actually very surprised. So when I try and cut it, etc., like this, and I kind of cut into it, it feels like, again, it feels like glass. It feels really, really nice. The only thing I'm not a massive fan of is it doesn't go all the way to the edge, which I know is really hard. But for me, when I swipe like that, you can kind of feel it. So you can probably see it. If I can get it to focus there for you. Focus. Doesn't want to focus for you, does it? So you see here where obviously the screen protector is. It's kind of a bit rough. So if you do like swiping in and swiping from like the sides, so obviously in a lot of apps you'll swipe back. It's a little bit rough, and that's something that the screen protector using previously didn't have that because it kind of went all the way to the edge. So a little unfortunate is that. As again, swiping up from the bottom, you just get that little bit of a rough kind of every single time. If you're used to that, then I guess it's not going to be a problem. For me, again, I like the kind of fluidity, kind of how fluid it all is. And unfortunately, this doesn't kind of hit that mark for me right now. It's not a bad screen protector. In fact, it is a fantastic screen protector in terms of the way it kind of feels and it looks on there. And again, if you do get it on first time, you're probably not going to get the little kind of problems that I got top and bottom there. But as you can see, you can't really tell it's on there. Again, unless you look for the corners where let's be honest, I probably screwed that one up. Apart from that, it feels absolutely fantastic. And the fact is that you can't, it's so thin that you can't really tell anything's there. It's kind of a big credit to Rhino Shield. Again, probably not for me. It's not something I would be looking to eager to go purchase 10 of them. But in terms of it being on there now, I will definitely rock it for a while, and I'll see how it does kind of bed in there. Again, my only problem is going to be is regards to the corner. You can see that there, and that corner up there. It's going to bug me a little bit, but we'll see how I go. If I can't get on with it, then yeah, I'll switch over to something else. But that's it. That's my impressions and installation on the Impact Protection Screen Protector from the people over at Rhino Shield. And again, I want to say thank you to Rhino Shield for actually sending this out to me, contacting me. I do have a couple of cases for the iPhone XS as well as the Galaxy S10 Plus. So stay tuned for those. But for now, I'm going to say see you later, and hopefully you'll stick around. If you are new to the channel, then you know what to do by now. You can hit that subscribe button. Go on, smack it, and go and smash the like button. You know you want to. Anyway, people, if you've got any questions with regards to this or anything else, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, I'll answer you on pretty much any platform you can try and get me hold of. And again, once again, thanks for watching, and you'll see me. Okay, you'll probably won't see me. Well, again, you'll see the hands in my next video. Cheers, everyone.